How to add multiple images in Cam Scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple images in Cam Scanner. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open the Cam Scanner application. When you open up the Cam Scanner application, you will see this interface, and now you can see the import image option at the third number. So you have to tap right here on the import images, and after that you will get access to the different images, and from there you have to select multiple images. Let me select first 3 images. After that I have to tap right here on the import option, and you can see that I will get access to the 3 different multiple pictures, and now I can crop these images and I can share these images from this icon, and I can do different processing on in those images. So this is how I can easily add multiple images in Cam Scanner application. So it was super easy, and please guys consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.